In 2024, a budget of $1 to $2 million in Los Angeles could open doors to some of the city's most sought-after neighborhoods, or land you a hidden gem in need of a little TLC. After diving deep into hundreds of listings, I'm here to break down exactly what you can expect in this price range. Whether it's modern luxury, historic charm, or something in between, I'll give you the insider scoop. Stick around because I'm also sharing a bonus tip at the end that might just save you thousands or get you the perfect home. For those of you who are new here, I'm Todd Kingsley, your trusted luxury realtor in Los Angeles. Whether you're looking to rent or buy, my goal is to make sure you find the ideal place to call home in this vibrant city. With that, let's jump right into the world of LA real estate. No fluff, just the facts you need to know. Let's start with an overview of the real estate market. In 2024, the Los Angeles housing market is hotter than ever. Prices are climbing steadily, with the median home price hovering around $1 million, and in some neighborhoods, it's even higher. This slight increase from last year shows that LA is still a highly desirable place to live, with demand showing no signs of slowing down. Homes are moving fast. In many parts of the city, it's not uncommon to see multiple offers pouring in, and houses are typically off the market in 30 to 50 days. If you're hoping to buy, you've got to act quickly. The rising prices have pushed some buyers to make tough choices. They're opting for smaller homes, considering fixer-uppers, or exploring more affordable neighborhoods just outside the city limits to stay within budget. Right now, LA is definitely a seller's paradise. Properties are often selling at or even above the asking price, which is great news for those looking to sell, but a challenge for bargain hunting buyers. Interest rates are still on the higher side, which means taking out a mortgage is pricier than in previous years. This has slowed things down just a bit, but don't expect a major price drop. There's still more demand than supply, keeping prices at a premium. So to wrap it up, 2024's real estate landscape in LA is defined by high prices. Whether you're buying or selling, knowing the current market trends is the key to making the best move. What kind of properties are available for $1 to $2 million? In Los Angeles, a budget of $1 to $2 million gives you some fantastic options, especially in the neighborhoods I focus on. There are great condos and townhomes available in West Hollywood and other prime areas. In West Hollywood, $1 million can get you a stylish condo with 2 to 3 bedrooms, modern finishes, and access to building amenities like a gym or a rooftop deck. It's a perfect option if you want to be in the heart of the action with shopping, dining, and nightlife just steps away. For Santa Monica and Studio City, a $1 million budget can still get you into a spacious condo or townhome, often with modern updates and close to the beach or suburban comforts. If you move out to Sherman Oaks, Encino, or Woodland Hills, that $1 million will go even further. Here, you'll find larger townhomes or condos, often with private garages and outdoor patios, giving you more space without sacrificing style. Now, if your budget stretches closer to $2 million, your options expand significantly. So whether you're going for a trendy condo in the city or a more relaxed suburban feel, the $1 to $2 million range in these areas has a lot to offer. So you might ask, what are the top neighborhoods for $1 to $2 million? LA offers a range of neighborhoods within the $1 to $2 million price range, each with its own unique flair. Let's explore the options, including some of the most popular and desirable areas in this city. Mid-City is a blend of old and new. It's a fantastic area that combines historic and modern homes, making it a unique blend of old world charm and contemporary style. With a median sale price of around $1.24 million, it's a realistic choice for buyers at the lower end of the $1 to $2 million budget. The Valley, it offers suburban comfort with plenty of space. For families, this is a top choice. You get larger homes, bigger yards, and highly rated schools, all within the $1 to $2 million range. Here, you'll find spacious properties perfect for those who want a little more breathing room. The East Side, trendy and full of character. For those who love a bit of culture and creativity, the East Side neighborhoods like Silver Lake and Echo Park dream come true. West Hollywood is a hotspot for those who love urban living with a chic twist. With a budget of around $1 to $2 million, you can find stylish condos and townhomes, often with modern finishes and access to great amenities like rooftop decks, pools, and gyms. West Hollywood is known for its walkability, nightlife, and proximity to some of LA's best dining and shopping spots, making it ideal for those who want to be in the center of the action. Beverly Hills is luxury living within reach. While single-family homes in Beverly Hills can exceed the $2 million mark, condos are a great option in this budget. For around $1.5 to $2 million, you can secure a luxury condo in Beverly Hills. So whether you're looking for a centrally located historic home, a spacious suburban property, a trendy East Side vibe, or a taste of luxury in West Hollywood and Beverly Hills, LA has plenty of options for you within the $1 to $2 million range. So you might ask, what are the features you can expect in the $1 to $2 million range? In LA, the features you get for $1 to $2 million vary widely depending on the location and property type. Here's a breakdown of what you can generally expect. The size and layout in homes in this range typically span from 1,500 to 3,000 square feet, offering a comfortable living space. You'll find a mix of layouts, often with 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bathrooms, and possibly a home office or bonus room. While city core properties like condos or townhomes might be a bit more compact, heading out to the Valley or East Side often means getting more square footage and outdoor space. You might be asking, modern versus classic charm? Newer properties in this budget often feature modern designs. Think sleek countertops, open floor plans, and high ceilings. If you're eyeing older homes, they might come with charming details like intricate moldings, vintage windows, or original hardwood floors. These properties can feel a bit cozier, but might need some updates to match a modern lifestyle. Now, outdoor spaces, which is a coveted LA luxury, this is a hot commodity in LA, especially in more central areas. In West Hollywood or Mid-City, outdoor spaces might be limited to a cozy patio or a balcony. However, move into areas like Sherman Oaks, Encino, or other parts of the Valley, and you're more likely to find homes with yards, patios, or even a pool. These outdoor areas are perfect for families, pets, or those who love to entertain. So what's the bottom line? From cozy urban condos with a modern touch to spacious homes with outdoor havens, the $1 to $2 million range in LA covers a wide spectrum of options. Whether you crave the energy of the city or the peace of the suburbs, there's something here for everyone. Now, the bonus tip: smart strategies for house hunting in the $1 to $2 million range. If you're in the market for a home in Los Angeles with a $1 to $2 million budget, location is everything. Deciding where you want to live, whether it's the vibrant heart of the city or the calm of a suburban neighborhood, can make all the difference. Think about your daily life. Proximity to work, schools, shopping, and recreation should play a big role in your decision-making. Choosing the right location will not only enhance your lifestyle, but can also impact your property value over time. Be ready to move quickly. In a high-demand market like LA, homes in this price range can move fast. Listings often get multiple offers, especially if they're well-priced and in desirable neighborhoods. Consider a fixer-upper. If you're struggling to find the right home in a specific neighborhood, don't be afraid to consider a fixer-upper. It's a great way to get into a community you love, and you can customize the space to fit your needs. Just remember that you need to factor in the cost and time required for renovations. Sometimes a little elbow grease can lead to a dream home that's worth much more than the initial investment. So keep these tips in mind while you're house hunting, and you'll have a better shot at landing the perfect home in LA. I hope this video gave you a clearer picture of the best places to call home in Los Angeles in 2024. If you have any questions about life in LA or real estate, I'm Todd Kingsley, your trusted local realtor. Feel free to reach out. I'm always here to help. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.